no chance about it.
When it's boutique.
Hey, I mean, boy. So, and you started to even ignore people. No, I don't ignore any other person. As long as you got the talent, you can call me. We can WhatsApp, we can communicate. I mean, I'm always be free, and that's how it has makes me to grow. But I don't know famous in Kaspa and Gomore. I just don't know Pindura as a boutique, I just don't know Bangos, the artist in enough for it. And this is a guy. Nigga, one of them,
Yeah, so let's look at this. You're an MC, you're a poet, let's say an all-rounder.
Yes.
Then how do you make time? Because, come on, we're getting old. We all
So I think
family, time, music. How do you handle all those things?
I think it's as a product of the poverty.
Yeah.
You get to know a lot of things on your own. I mean, MC, and when I started being an MC, it was someone was testing me and he said I must become a wedding, and yeah, it was a traditional wedding, and for that sake, I was able to crack the joke, and then that's how I get to it. But motivation, it's through my background where I grown up as a product of the poverty. So this one is on guitar and kono diva kono kono artist in a positive way.
Wow.
A voiceover artist, obviously, when you're a poet, you can able to
do all those
differentiate.
things.
And also, I'm a multi-one poet. I've done greater speech for Clovelu, I can speak Clovelu, I can speak Tivenda, I can speak Zulu, Xhosa, and English. So in those languages, I can recite, I can also do speak.
Dinazita mazanga, ricola cherede. Dinazita mazanga, ricola cherede. Come me money spender. Come me money spender. Niko tita posa kama